Hello folks, Sean Mize here, and I'm back to show you how to use the squeeze page plugin. And I'm just going to create a quick squeeze page here in the dashboard. And let me say this, that when you purchase it, it does come with full instructions on how to do it. I encourage you to use those instructions. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to create a new squeeze page. We go here to Pages, and internet's just a little slow right now, so we come over here to Pages, and we'll click on Add New Page, and I'm going to name this Squeeze Page. You don't want to leave it that way. I'll change it later, but just so that we have it here. Okay, and then I'm going to come down here and fill out the information that I want here. So discover the secrets of building your own profitable information business. That's going to be my headline. My sub-headline is going to be daily email newsletter full of tips each day. You can see they're pre-populating, so you saw I practiced before I came and did this live. So the sub-headline, font, family, and body text, I'm just going to leave it the same. You can change it. My opt-in provider is Aweber, so I'm going to use my Aweber username, which is, okay, and then we're also going to use the name, the list name, which is one info profit entry. So one info profit entry. And then I'm also going to send people to this page, which is the thank you page for the opt-in, and then an error thank you page as well. That's going to go to Marlin's traffic product, I think. Okay. And that should be everything that we need there. And then we're going to click Save Draft. And let's click on Preview Page. And something went wrong, so let's come back in here and see if we can determine what went wrong. Everything seems to be in there, so let's just choose choose one of these and save draft. There we go. So that's our squeeze page so far. You know, let's go in and edit this squeeze page. We want some more content in the squeeze page. So let's see. See if we change the template. We can add in, what I'd love to add in is a little content, some body text content. And I'll tell you the last time that here we go, text above opt-in is optional. So let's do something like this. Discover in this daily e-letter, you will discover personal secrets for increasing your productivity online, methods for inbound linking. Remember we did, you'll see that we did the first article. Methods for inbound linking that change your SEO rankings fast. And how about how to write power articles to get traffic fast. Okay, and again, this is just an example. We'll probably improve this over time based on conversion rates and that kind of thing. What we'll probably do See, daily email newsletter full of tips each day. Let's run with this right now. We'll click Save Draft. Hit Preview. Okay, and so remember we changed this to 2 columns. So let's go back to the 1 column view. And just notice how versatile this is. I mean, you can really play around with it and have different columns, have multiple columns, and you can insert pictures and that kind of thing. Okay, so it looks like we're going to need to put some breaks in there. See if this will take HTML. So if it will, we'll use let's see if the HTML works or it just shows up. And I'll tell you folks, sometimes the easiest way to find these things out is just to try them just like I'm doing right now. Okay, and this is a similar process to what you'll be doing when you're building yours. So it doesn't take the HTML right there. So we'll simply just take that out. Let's try also a hard break and see if that makes a difference. If not, we'll live with the squeeze page the way it is now. So that didn't make a difference. Let's try something else here. Craziest thing, folks, is I thought for sure when I did the test one, there was a link, there was a box for body text, and maybe something to add later on. But I think right now we'll just leave that off, and we'll save it. Let's go ahead and publish this. And if we publish it, we should be able to view the page. And this is our new squeeze page. Now let's go ahead and opt into our new squeeze page. So I don't know that I've opted in on this campaign yet, so but let's just do it. Let's opt in and let's just see what happens. I'm going to get instant access. And of course this is going to get me on the list, so I'll be receiving emails. And sure enough, I'm pointed over to Marlon's traffic program, and maybe I'll make a few sales as people click through there. So that's the whole idea. So folks, this concludes the discussion on how to create your squeeze page right there in WordPress using that squeeze page tool. And there's a lot of functionality there that we haven't explored, and I'll leave that to you to just kind of play around with, make one with each of the different templates and see, hey, how does this affect it? How does this make the template look different? How does it make this look different? Can I play around with font sizes, etc., and what you can do in there. So anyway, folks, we'll go ahead and close this out.